Hindi pa tayo. Mabilis. Malaki siguro silang kasi alam nila busy sila.
Ako titigman ko to.
Okay lang. Alam mo yung Lucky Charm, di ba?
Oo, eto. Cinnamon crunch.
Gusto mo yan. Kasi gusto mo yan.
Okay lang. Sarap.
Napicture mo naman.
Oo. Naiingi ako.
Hindi dyan. Ayun o. May sign. Carlo! Lorenzo. It's me.
Oh, okay.
You're going to find out. I tell you about Fridays. So you're doing one, right? Yeah. I know you used to do that for a while. And then you went on and ran into Curtis and Alexi at the hotel. It was very good. Because Brady's like, hey, look, I'll shoot it. And all right, but this room or whatever. And he was like,
I think birthday was
Well, wait, tell me. Okay, I'll have it ready. Bacon hammer sausage. And country potatoes. What should you? Okay. I'll tell Rick to have it ready for you. I'm losing my Wawa like every
Sila, dalawa din naman sila doon pero nasa table sila.
Sabi ko sa'yo, hindi mo tinitingnan yung sign. Tinuro mo na siya sa taas, saka tumitingin siya sa'yo. Ayun, sabi ko doon, tinuro.
And I think at some point I'm going to have to involve you guys.
Sinong dalawa sinasabi mo?
Ha?
Sinong dalawa sinasabi mo?
Yung nakaupo doon, dito sila sa table. Pero baka
Sila yung may-ari eh. Sila yung ano eh.
Baka, kasi
Waiting ako dito. Tignan mo ganun ginawa nila.
ganda.
Yun nga, pag
Nag-enjoy ako sa cellphone ko kasi hindi na yung parang dating yung sobrang bagal pagka kinlik yung camera.
ano nga kayo? Ay, eto, anong ano?
Di ba dati yung pag switch mo sa video, mabagal.
Well, I do know Thursday. He was well behaved.
Sarap with
But he just said,
Yung pupuntahan natin, mall yun, di ba?
I was crying for him.
Pwede kong gamitin sila.
Pero naman eto.
Yung date eh.
Eh di pag higop mo, ubos ka agad. Tanga.
Isn't that crazy? Now that we're all in
Sayang mag-enjoy si Banchik pag nakita to.
Ano, ito kape to eh.
Eh, gusto niya yung mga ganyang maliliit.
Iyo.
Parang nurse sa amin, nakita ko na siya dati. Siya ba yung may-ari?
Pamalay ko, manager ko ngayon. Hindi naman may sino may
Ganda ng bahay. Sakto lang. Alam mo yun, parang bahay. Sahig
Ayun nga yung ano lang.
Sahig.
Ayun na yung bagay natin.